Hey guys, this is John, author of the Cabin Owner's Manual. We're out here today in sunny California, as you can see with the palm tree behind me. My brother-in-law was doing a remodel job out here, called me and asked me if I would come help him. They had some stuff that they were working on. The roof, I've got some pictures of that. Interesting story. They have some tile shingles. Well, let's see, can you see them behind me? Let's see. Well, it's going to be hard to see them from down here. I'll see if I can get them from the front of the house. But they're tile shingles, like a terracotta. Really pretty. And but the earthquake had loosened them, and earthquakes have loosened them, and a couple of them slid down and exposed the felt underneath. And it actually had been exposed long enough that the sun and the rain, even though there's not much rain, had degraded the felt to the point where there was a leak inside the house. So we went inside and fixed that and cleaned all it up, got the mold out of it, and fixed the roof obviously first, because you got to fix the problem first. But one of the other things that we did was fix this gate. As you can see, the neighbor's fence behind me is kind of old and dilapidated. So we went in and replaced the gate, replaced the post. One of the things that I learned is that in California they use different timber. The pressure treated lumber that I'm used to using, they don't even have here. And then this is rough sawn fir. It smells amazing. So let me step back far enough you can see the gate. There's the irrigation system over there. We installed, let's see, that brown post is redwood, and it's pressure treated, and that's an 8-foot post. So we dug pretty far down in the ground, and this stuff is like digging in concrete. It's called decomposed granite, and it's like it's kind of like sand in its consistency, but it is packed so hard. And so pretty much what you have to do is go in with a breaker bar and break it up, and then just kind of shovel it out. The shovel doesn't really, especially when you get down pretty deep, it doesn't do a whole lot. So at any rate, we had a lot of fun. Been out here in California for this is day 4. We're leaving this morning, and fixed the roof. We actually went ahead and painted the whole living room. Got some pictures of that. Made that nice, the roof, the walls, the floor. So we fixed the roof. Actually, we fixed another spot on the roof. Come over here, you can see, let's see, right up, there we go. See the water line coming down. What happens is, on the roof, they don't have any gutters, and as you can see on top of the windows here, there's no drip edge. So there's not a lot of rain here, okay? So I mean, it rained on us yesterday, and they were freaking out because there were actually like raindrops hitting us, and they said it never happens in July. But at any rate, we installed some drip edge up there, came down the edge here, just to keep the water from running over. Actually, they came out, and one of the insurance adjusters looked at it and told them that it was the air conditioner unit that was causing the leak. See the air conditioner unit right there? See the leak right there? Yeah, I don't know what that insurance adjuster was thinking, but that wasn't right. So at any rate, we did a lot of work, got a lot of stuff done. Thank my brother-in-law for inviting me out, and my in-laws live out here, and so they let us stay with them, and we had a good time. Anyway, headed back to Tennessee, gonna go have some fun. Talk to you guys later. Have a good day.